Hey guys, so we're at the Honey Hole today. Can't tell you this location. Got a new pole and a new reel. They're not new, but it's new to me. Found it at the flea market, picked it up for a few bucks, and I like trying out new things and not paying a ton for them. So this is my new bait caster. It's a Shimano. Picked it up for $10. Picked the pole up for $5. Not super familiar with bait casters. I know this isn't the right pole for it, but we're gonna try it out today. I already sent a minnow out there on my other pole and got a big hit. So we're gonna try some stuff. I also picked this up at the flea market. We're gonna try this out. It has a soft tail, treble hook. So we're gonna check this out. Water's kind of murky. It's been very high. It's been raining a lot. Thing fell off. Awesome. Alright. We don't need that anyway. We can just tie it on. I also got these treble hook sleeves at the flea market. Bought it from a guy. Bought a pack of them. He was like, I don't know where I got these, but they're pretty cool. And I was like, yeah, they are. I was like, you sell me some? He said, sure will. So, this was a flea market find from 2 weeks ago. I went back this weekend, and the guy wasn't there, which was sad, because he's pretty cool to talk to. And I liked all the things that he had. So, good thing I checked that one. It's a pretty cool day. It's about 65 out. Hopefully we can catch some fish. The sun's out. It's not too hot. Already got a promising hit. Kind of crunched for time. Let's see if we can't bird nest this thing. Baitcaster pretty well.